What is the dynamic range of the Nikon D500? Have you ever wondered how a camera can capture the stunning details of a bird in flight or the subtle colors of feathers in varying light? The dynamic range of the Nikon D500 plays a key role in this. So, what exactly is the dynamic range of the Nikon D500? The Nikon D500 boasts a dynamic range of about 14 exposure values at its base ISO. This means it can capture a wide spectrum of brightness levels, from the darkest shadows to the brightest highlights in a single shot. While this is slightly less than the Nikon D7 to 00's 14.6 exposure values at low ISOs, the D500 still performs admirably overall. One of the standout features of the D500 is its sensor, which is designed to maintain strong dynamic range performance not just at low ISO settings but also at higher ISOs. This gives it an edge over competitors like the Canon 7D Mark II, especially in low-light situations. At low ISO values, such as ISO 50 or 100, the D500 delivers over 13 exposure values of dynamic range. This is fantastic for bird photographers, as it allows for the recovery of details in both shadows and highlights. This capability is essential for capturing the fine textures and subtle lighting variations found in bird feathers and their natural habitats. As the ISO increases, the dynamic range does decrease gradually. For instance, at ISO 6400, the dynamic range is around 8.3 exposure values, and it drops to about 6 exposure values at ISO 51200. However, even at these higher settings, the D500 still retains impressive detail and contrast. This flexibility is particularly useful for bird photographers shooting during dawn, dusk, or in shaded areas of a forest. The design of the D500 sensor favors high ISO dynamic range, allowing for cleaner images with less noise in low-light conditions. This is especially beneficial for capturing birds that are active in dimmer light or for freezing motion without compromising image quality. In practical terms, the dynamic range of the Nikon D500 means that photographers can capture intricate details of birds' plumage and the subtle gradations of natural light in their environments. Its ability to maintain dynamic range at higher ISOs helps produce sharp, detailed images with minimal noise. This is crucial for identifying bird species and appreciating their vibrant colors and textures. Overall, the Nikon D500 offers a balanced dynamic range performance that supports high-quality bird photography across a variety of lighting scenarios. This makes it a solid choice for birders who seek versatility and excellent image quality in their gear.